Alright, and we're out on the road to see and visit the spots that all the athletes are at. They don't know we're coming. Let's see how they conquer the challenge. Here at the Kasarwadi station spot, we have a couple of our athletes here. Let's see what they're up to. We went to find the athletes, but we got lost. So I think they're somewhere around there.
So now athletes are finding us.
Yeah.
How's it going, Deepu?
It's going good. Close
How many challenges have you completed?
Amazing beard.
Of course.
Yeah.
How many challenges have you completed so far?
Till now, 40.
And what do you think? Would you be able to complete like 20 challenges by the end of this
20,
day?
25, yeah.
Yeah.
20, 25? Perfect.
Around.
Perfect.
I'll check and tell you what you're trying. Tell me the challenge that you're trying. Tic Tac Cat करना है. Tic Tac Cat. Let's see.
Tic Tac Cat.
Okay. How many
Giving a
attempts
try?
have you given so far? 10. 10 attempts. Wow. Hard है. दूर है? हाँ ऐसे है. अच्छा. Which leg? Any leg is allowed? Which leg are you trying?
Left.
Left.
And I'm trying to put leg up little high. तो यहाँ नहीं करो, यहाँ करो. पता नहीं, शायद वॉल होता तो मैं.
आपने इधर ट्राई किया?
हाँ ट्राई किया, पर यहाँ से स्लिपरी भी है और
नहीं. Like वापस करो.
बंद करू लगेच.
That's why, but
Samir got really close on the last attempt, but his butt touched. He's going again.
Yes.
Nice.
ये हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
That's actually. चलो थोड़ा हेल्प करते हैं इसको यार. Spot maintenance.
spot maintenance footage के लिए लोग क्या नहीं करते हैं.
Samir is going for his third attempt. The last two were really close on this. He recently changed his strategy and changed his angular approach. All he needs to do is tic-tac and catch the ball. Aye, clean!
Let's go!
Clean!
Let's go!
Here, what is really cool is the last two attempts were all successful. You'll see the clips. But in each of them, one his butt slightly touched and one his foot slightly touched. What I really think is amazing is that he wasn't trying to just pass it under the rug and let it go. He was like, no, if I do it, I'll do it properly. Super spirit. Damn good. That's the spirit of Skill City, India by Mumbai Movement Academy, Pune, Season 1. Let's go.
Let's go!
Where are the next athletes? All right, there are the spotted. He's trying to crack this difficult jump. He's prepped it a couple of times already. And now all he has to do is stick it. It's a difficult mental battle.
Let's go!
Alright. Running, strike, right palm. Challenge time.
ये वहाँ से स्ट्राइड लेके यहाँ पे फिर यहाँ फ्लाई करके फिर डाइव कॉन्ग निकालना.
What's the hard part about the challenge?
मेरे को डाइव कॉन्ग में थोड़ा दिक्कत है बस, बाकी तो कुछ नहीं है.
And what is the process of you breaking down this dive kong?
हाँ मैंने एक दो बार ट्राई किया है, तो और एक बार स्ट्राइड में निकाल लूँगा तो हो जाएगा.
Got it.
Easy!
This is a dangerous challenge. Many people have been victim to something or the other here. some ankles, some balls.
Not some, but many.
Two per person.
Ooh, smooth.
Interesting technique from Akash. Akash Saparia is prepping for a big running period. There is 15 steps all the way from back,
Oh yes.
all the way to this
Oh,
one
yes.
over here. Earlier, just half an hour ago, we saw Mihir take a nasty bail, cut to that clip. But Akash Saparia is good at running trees. So let's see how he does.
One banger.
Let's go!
Oi, almost there. Nice.
Nice. So we're headed to our next spot. This one is a hard challenge. It is a flip over a gap. The boys from Team Pre-Run are trying it right now. Let's see.
Standing side, standing free. Me and Sagar were here to train one day.
What's the thought process? ज़्यादा दूर लग रहा है?
ज़्यादा दूर तो नहीं लग रहा, बट अभी ऐसा है कि चैलेंज अच्छा है, पॉइंट ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है अभी के लिए टू विन. सो आई वाज लाइक कूल.
रिस्क बेनिफिट नहीं है.
हाँ, रिस्क बेनिफिट, हाँ एग्जैक्टली रिस्क बेनिफिट, बट या some other day.
Nice. But I think this is really nice because
Yeah,
सब लोग ने
right.
सोच के attempt
सोच
किया,
के
try
exactly.
किया.
We are like कि एक spot पे जितना we can push ourselves, we are doing that. So I guess
But also
strategy-
remembering के not to push too far.
Yeah.
Where are we?
We're finally at the Shaniwar wala spot where we catch Mukesh and Nihar at the final set of challenges.
The two leading the scoreboard.
Woohoo! What
Bang,
timing! Oh damn!
Let's go.
Work.
What's
Alright,
up?
it's 4 p.m. and we're at our last check-in spot for today. We're at Shaniwar Wada, and we have people attending the challenges on the outside area of Shaniwar Wada Fort. Woohoo! Nihar that commits to these amazingly difficult things.
Oi. One bang.
One line. That right there is good and really, really good. This is the easy other challenge.
So interesting that he focuses more on the hard ones
Get the hard one over first,
and then
you know?
easy ones. Blah, 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 blah.
But this is that the killer instinct that comes with like a really high level of skill. You know exactly whether you can do it or you can't do it, and if you know you can do it, you just do it.
What hurts? Elbow hurts.
क्या हुआ?
अभी बाकी है और बहुत स्पॉट मेट्रो स्टेशन शिवाजी नगर और बालेवाड़ी हाई स्कूल और हाँ बस
मायो ट्रेनिंग सेंटर
हो गया
वेरी नाइस
बट चैलेंजेस नहीं हुए ना जगह तो सब हो रही है चैलेंजेस नहीं हो रही
इंटरेस्टिंग
You're traveling back to the locations again?
यस
You're traveling back to those locations again?
Yeah, no,
complete the
if
challenges?
time permits, I will go there. But if not, I guess I got only 1.5 hours. So I'll be focusing on जो हो रहा है अभी फिलहाल में. And then lastly, I will go to Aund. वहाँ पे फ्री रन में मैंने 2-3 challenges रखे हैं जो एंड में करके समाप्त बाकी.
क्या बात है क्या बात
बेसिकली मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा रिग्रेट है कुछ challenges का because they were like I was not able to stick over there. Precision jumps जो थे टिक टैक एंड प्री सीजन्स थे वो मैं स्टिक नहीं कर पाई बट आई हैव द वीडियोस हाफ करके हूँ वो चैलेंजेस बट आई कांट अपलोड इट बिकॉज पूरा नहीं हुआ है बट ओवरऑल इट वाज अमेजिंग एंड पता चल रहा है कि कितने खड्डे में हूँ और कितने नहीं हूँ सो या विल बी डूइंग परफॉर्मिंग वेल इन नेक्स्ट सिटीज़ जो अपकमिंग सिटीज़ है वहाँ पे ट्राई करूँगी अच्छा परफॉर्म करने
What has been your favorite spot or jump so far?
आई गेस कंप्लीट करने की वो तो मुझे लग रहा है शिवाजी मेट्रो स्टेशन फेवरेट रहेगा दिख रहे हैं वहाँ पे चैलेंजेस ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज
Nice. Women actually good bunch आए हैं. You've been roaming around with them. कैसे group का माहौल कैसे रहा है?
अच्छा रहा है, सपोर्ट तो कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे को, लेकिन मैं थोड़ी मतलब हूँ तो मैं चल रही हूँ आगे, बट लेट्स सी कैसा जाता है, लेकिन वी आर टुगेदर. या
Very nice. Anything you felt was like, what do you think about the challenges का level and how the planning?
मेरे लिए लेवल है अच्छा खासा, बिकॉज आई हैवंट बीन ट्रेनिंग ज़्यादा इतने मंथ्स में, सो या इट्स बेसिकली टफ फॉर मी एज वेल.
What do you think about the format, Skill City, spots, roaming, all of this stuff?
दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम. ऑफकोर्स सबका
सबका
फर्स्ट
first
टाइम
time.
है, तो जब ये कंप्लीट होगा तब जो वाइब रहेगी वो अपने आप समझ में आएगी, बट फॉर नाउ द वाइब्स आर रियली ग्रेट, तो बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है.
Super Monday. Next spot, where are you going?
शिवाजी नगर.
Let's move on.
से निकले हैं and we are headed to Shivaji Nagar metro station. Chetan, what do you think so far? You've been filming all the clips as we follow the athletes around. What have you noticed? What have you seen?
Well, each and every athlete have their own way, have their own strategies of going with this competition, and it's very impressive of seeing athletes go like this in different ways, because you never know what athlete will pick which strategy, and let's wait till the light comes up.
Go for it. Go for it.
So you will not expect which athlete will go with which strategy. Maybe they will come up with new strategy or come up with anything of themselves own, like made up of themselves own. And it is very impressive. And watching athletes complete all these challenges is very impressive. Number one is all the basic stuff which all the athletes avoid training. They are able to pull this off, means athletes are training basics as well. Number two, advanced training, which is very tough to pull, and athletes are doing those as well. That means athletes are evolving as well. Right, so majorly it's very impressive of watching all these athletes evolve in both aspects, basic and advanced itself.
We're back at Shivaji Nagar metro station for a sick set of challenges. Gonna catch Mukesh and Nehal complete their last set. Yes.
Let's go, man. Okay.
Oh.
नहीं 4 ही हुआ.
Check video check करो.
Yeah.
And 1, 2,
3.
3.
अच्छा एक और थी.
Mukesh, at this point in the day, is having difficulty counting to 5. That is the only issue. Parkour free running, not a problem.
Land किया इधर ये हुआ ये आया. बैक फ्लिप मार बैक फ्लिप लैंड करके बैक फ्लिप बस खत्म. ठीक है मैं वॉल ऐड करता हूँ.
Another interesting small fact here that maybe all of you don't know is that Mukesh and Neha trained together for a long time, so they know each other really well. So having that feeling.
मैं तो पॉइंट दूँ ही ना तो इतना गंदा लाइन बनाया. अरे इधर से आओ. अरे काम करो इधर से करो इधर आओ. मैं 10 लाइन बना दूँ. रोलिंग 2 3 4
Continue.
करते रहो 6 करते रहो हाँ बस. थैंक यू गॉड.
लास्ट 1 घंटे में क्या स्ट्रेटजी है, कितने चैलेंजेस कंप्लीट करने और कहाँ पे जा रहे हो?
The beginner level. जितना से होता है, and then we will go for intermediate harder ऐसा. Because for now goal is to do maximum number of challenges.
Correct.
Doesn't matter if you do harder one or easier.
ठीक है. किधर क्या बचा है?
So we are having 2 spots left, I guess. This all is covered.
Wow.
Amazing.
इधर 2 ही है बगीचा, उधर जाके मतलब नहीं।
Okay, it's 4:30 p.m. We have 1 hour left before the end of the Steel City Pune Mumbai Movement Academy. And the scores I can't mention in front of the participants, but are super interesting. In first place, we have Nihar with 54 challenges completed. In second place, we have Harit with 50. In third place, we have Mihir with 48. And the numbers go on, but there's something at play here, which is that we don't actually know what the true number is, because everybody hasn't uploaded all of their challenges yet. They will do that in the last half an hour and the last 15 minutes, and that's when the numbers could change dramatically. Someone who we've not been keeping track of at all so far might rocket to the top. We don't know what's going to happen, so this last 1 hour is going to be the most interesting. Stay tuned.